Welcome to my day 24 of my first 260-day bulking first challenge, and I am trying to make up for the gains that I lost during my recovery period recently and improve my muscle memory by coming to the gym at night if I can't make it in the morning. So yesterday I was in the gym at night and today it's nighttime, but tomorrow I think I got time to come in the morning. The reason why I try to make up for the lost gains is I feel like I was making real serious progress, and now that I lost all those gains, I have to come to the gym as much as I can and prepare myself for the next gym, which is I'm going there in the next few days, as these are my last few days in this gym. So subscribe, drop a comment below to watch me go to a professional gym in Beijing, China. Thank you for watching.